So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to rename a board here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the freeform application. Once that is done here, I'm just going to go ahead and select a new board. So I'm going to go to the top right here, press on start a new board, and the new board starts. So if I were to exit out of this, as you can tell, the board that I created here, actually I'll just go ahead and I'll just, I don't know, I'll add something. So I'll add some text here and I'll add a square. That's my wonderful board. So once that is done, I'll press on done just like that. Then exit out of this. So as you can tell, the board is currently untitled. Now, if you want to change the title or rename a board, it's super simple. Simply just press on the board right here, highlight it to where it says rename. Press on rename right here, and I can type this in board number 1. Press on OK. Now your board is titled board number 1. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to rename a board here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.